Ever wished you could slow down that whirlwind of a cooking tutorial or dissect a play-by-play with pinpoint accuracy on YouTube TV? Today, we're unlocking the secret to controlling playback speed, ensuring you never miss a beat. First, launch the YouTube TV app on your device. This works whether you're using a smart TV, a streaming stick, or even your gaming console. Now, find the video you want to watch and press play once the video starts. Look for the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear or cogwheel and is typically located in the lower right-hand corner of the video player. Click on the settings icon. A menu will pop up, and you'll see a few options. Scroll until you find playback speed and select it. You'll now see a range of playback speeds. You can slow things down to 0 to 5x or 0.5x for detailed analysis, or even speed things up to 125x, 15x, or to X if you're in a hurry. Select your desired speed by clicking on it. The video will automatically adjust to the speed you've selected. You might notice a slight change in audio quality at extremely slow speeds, but it's perfect for catching every nuance. And that's it. You've successfully mastered playback speed control on YouTube TV. Slowing down content is a fantastic way to improve comprehension, analyze sports highlights, or simply enjoy content at your own pace. Now you have all the tools necessary to personalize your viewing experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tricks.